pan con tomatillo, jamón. Tenemos papas, cerveza y lupe. Bienvenidos a mi canal de YouTube. Hoy estamos en Barcelona. For my English speaking folks, welcome to my channel. We're in Barcelona. My second time in Barcelona. First time was dope. We're gonna do tapas crawl. The goal is to get lupe lit as fuck. Maybe more a little bit, but you don't stop here. So thirsty for beer. Shout out to Alfonso. I'm gonna check out the store just for you because I know you're the biggest Barcelona fan. Check it out. I'll get this to Alfonso. We're at the bar Boqueria. We're gonna have a few more drinks and then we're gonna head out to the Gothic district. Let's get our drink on. Ooh, it's a little stronger. Está bien. Salado para el vino. I got the last fry, guys. Letting you have the last one. So what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Update, we are in Bournemouth Cafe here in the Gothic district. We probably are on our second drink right now. I'm having a little bit of albondigas and
Choricito a la sidra, which is Asturian sausages, small Asturian sausages cooked in apple cider. Really good. And these albondigas, meatballs, are fantastic.
Make sure that when you guys are drinking, you guys stay hydrated. No one likes a hangover. No one likes a hangover, guys. Cheers, Moy. Salud.
Salud.
I'm having sangria, he's cerveza.
Wow.
I've been drinking too much beer this whole trip, so I'm just trying to lay back because I got a few pounds.
So his idea of laying back is to have a sangria dinner, have a sangria for breakfast, and have a sangria right now. You know, so that's laying back.
That is laying back on beer.
Forget the beer, sangria.
Blue is good. Blue for you.
70 years ago.
Now I only